Hello everybody, it's a QVC buy, it's a Tarte takeover. Let's find out what I got. How you doing today, guys? This is Miss Jackie Russell. Welcome to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. We're going to find out what I picked. I got a great deal from QVC. Now, I don't shop TV QVC. I'd probably be on there all day. But I go online to QVC, and so can you. And it's easier that way if you're just looking for something specific. Like I just check their beauty deals. You might want to check their clothes deals or maybe something for the house. Every once in a while I'll buy some candles from them. So, but I'm not on QVC all the time. But I did purchase this Tarte package. It's $161 value, and I got it for $59.99. Free shipping. And it is a package deal where you get 2 mascaras from Tarte, 2 lippies, which I think is their Maracuja lips, and we've got 2 palettes in here. I'm so excited. And isn't that a nice gift idea? Hey, if you're looking for early Christmas gifts, this might be a great thing. And I'll have my QVC link down in the description. And you can pop right on over there. Looky there, it even has 2 gifts in one. Wow. Yeah, so this is a very nice thing. And you can see it's got the Man-Eater mascara in there. I'm going to open it up. We're going to take a look at this, a better look. So, you know, I have the Man-Eater palette that I got from my Ipsy. And I don't know if I can get this out without tearing the box. Hopefully I can, because you never know, I might want to gift this. Let's take a look. Oh, okay, it's in 2 separate compartments. It's kind of pretty packaging, isn't it? It was all set up for gifting. And then you have your palette, and you could even give this out for 2 separate gifts now that I've got this like this. So yeah, there's lots of different ways. Oh, and look, there's another 2 from. So they even thought about that in case you wanted to give 2 gifts out. Isn't that nifty? All right. Well, hey guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, it's a good time to do it. Go ahead and hit subscribe, hit that notification bell. You'll know my next video. And get to know me a little bit. Leave me a comment. And if you feel like it, you can hype this video. If you think some other people be shopping for some Tarte. Oh yeah, for gifts, I think it's a great idea. I think it's even greater if I can figure out how to get into the package. Huh. They do have it packaged up well. Okay, well I got that out. Let's see if I can get the mascara out. I'm going to be using that Man-Eater mascara though. I can tell you that right now. Okay, in this package we have the Maracuja Juicy Lip Tarte, and it is in cream brulee. Alright, well I like that sound of that. I don't think I have this color. I do have one, but it is a more richer color that I have, so I'll have to check into that. If I do have this color, I'll have this one in a giveaway. Now I do not have the Man-Eater. I have used like a sample that I got from Macy's, but I've never had the full size, so I'm definitely interested in this mascara. So let's see how it performs right here and now over my eyelashes that I already got going. Let's see if it pulls them up even more. What do you say? I think it did. Let's lift and go on the other side. And yeah, it pulled it up. I think I have more lashes on one side than I have the other. Do you have that problem? I do. I mean, you can even see it there. This side over here, my lashes are much thicker and longer. And, of course, I've got one eye that's much, I think, bigger than the other. So I guess it just kind of goes hand in hand. Very good mascara. Now let's check out this little Tarte, and it is called the Tartelette Creme Brulee. So it's all creme brulee related. And look at these colors. Very nice. Oh, it's even got the Paris Tower in there. Isn't that cute? Ooh, it smells like creme brulee. Oh yeah, that smells good. When we would go on our trips, I'd always get a creme brulee. I love that for dessert. It's got a nice little mirror on there. Of course, I'm not going to take that off. That'll be a fun, muted palette to use to get a nice little natural look. So, okay, loving that. That was gift number 1. Now we're going to gift number 2. See what kind of mascara we have in there. I still love the packaging. I think that is so cool. So if you're looking for gift ideas, might just come across one right here. We've got the palette, and it's a tartlet, and it is called the Hot Cocoa. So that's probably going to smell like chocolate. They've actually got this packaged up really well. And I just had to push through the bottom there to push them out. A while ago they kind of fell out. Now this is the Maracuja Juicy Lip Plump, and this is in Hot Cocoa. And I know I don't have that color. And that's a plumper. Let's see if it plumps. Smells good. It's got a little bit of a stinging going to it. So this is a plumper, and this is a juicy lip. All right. And then, of course, we have another mascara here, and this is the Tartelette Tubing Mascara. So that's going to make my lashes longer. So let's try that out. Let's see if it does. Yep, a little bit more. It's amazing what good mascara can do. And you guys know that I use the PrimeLash serum and their mascara, but today, woo, we're trying this out. Look at that tubing. Wow. All right. Okay, well, that's a go. So this is great mascara. I love it. And then here is our Hot Cocoa Tartelette palette. And I love the packaging. It's all kind of like in a, I don't know, iridescent pink purpley color. Very pretty. So that is very pretty too. And it also has the Paris Tower in there. I love those colors. So, and the reason I'm not swatching them is because I may gift. You just never know. But those are real pretty colors. Very, very nice. I don't know which palette I like best. You tell me, which do you like best? They're kind of similar, but they're different. So there's a side by side. You let me know, do you like the creme brulee or the hot cocoa? What would be your choice? And on the man-eater mascaras, apparently this is your tubing mascara, so it's going to make your lashes longer. And of course, this is the famous man-eater, so I'm real pleased with this. And I can still feel the cooling effect of this lip plumper. And I like the packaging. So all the packaging is very pretty, goes well together. And this is my Tarte Takeover with QVC. And what a great gifting idea. So yes, I will have my link down in my description. And if it's something you're interested in, you can just pop on over there. And if it doesn't take you directly to this link of this package, you can go to Beauty and type in Tarte, and it'll bring it up if it's still available. So that is my Tarte QVC purchase for this month. I seen that and I thought that's a great buy, because I think just a mascara is around $28 or $30, and I knew the Man-Eater mascara was good. I knew the Lip Juicy, the Maracuja, I knew that was really good. And then, of course, I didn't even realize this was a lip plumper, but I love lip plumpers. And this is hot cocoa. Yum, yum. All right, guys, that's it. Don't forget to use a blue heart emoji for the month of September and or a rose, and you will be entered into my little gifting program. And this month I'm going to be in another collab. I've been invited, and as soon as she's ready to announce, you'll know which one it is. I'm real excited, so be on the lookout for that. Don't forget to join in with my Jubilee if you're interested. And I can't think of anything else, but I just want to ask you again, don't y'all think this was a very cool idea? Do you have gift ideas for someone right now in mind who would love to get either the full packet, or you could do it individually? Yep, something to think about. All right, guys, that's it. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.